chosen ones, your energy has finally been restored. This is not just a fleeting moment but a profound shift in your being, something you've long waited for. After all the battles you've faced, the sleepless nights, the confusion, and the doubt, now, more than ever, you can feel it deep within your soul, a sense of renewal, a revival of strength that once seemed drained away. You see, for a long time, it felt as though everything was working against you. Perhaps there were times when you questioned whether you could keep going, whether all the effort was worth it. But here's the truth, everything you've experienced has brought you to this very moment. All the struggles, every challenge, and even the moments of isolation were preparing you. They were shaping you into the person you needed to become to step into this new phase. The energy that you have regained is not just a recharge but an elevation, a rise to a higher version of yourself. When your energy was low, it wasn't because you lacked the ability or willpower. No, it was simply a phase, a period of introspection and growth, even when it didn't seem like it. Now, with your energy fully restored, you are seeing things more clearly. The fog has lifted. Your vision for your life, your purpose, and your path forward is no longer blurred by doubt. You can feel it in your heart, that sense of alignment, that everything is starting to fall into place. What's important now is to protect this energy. You've worked hard to restore it, to cleanse yourself from negativity, and to surround yourself with positivity and intention. It's time to be mindful of the people, places, and situations that you allow into your space. Not everyone will understand your journey or the changes you're going through, and that's okay. This newfound energy isn't for everyone else, it's for you. You're not obligated to explain yourself or convince others of your growth. Your energy is precious, and it's meant for those who will appreciate and honor it. With this renewal of energy comes clarity. Things that once confused or troubled you no longer have the same power. What was once overwhelming now feels manageable because you're approaching life from a place of strength rather than lack. You're making decisions from a place of empowerment, not fear. You're no longer reacting to life's challenges, instead, you're stepping forward, calmly and confidently, knowing that you have everything you need within you. It's also essential to recognize that with this renewed energy comes a responsibility to yourself. In the past, it was easy to put others' needs before your own, to sacrifice your well-being for the sake of those around you. But now, you must prioritize your own growth, your own healing. This is not selfish, it's necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup. By restoring your energy and focusing on yourself, you become even more capable of helping those you care about. You become a source of inspiration, of light, to those around you, but only because you first filled yourself. As you move forward, take time to reflect on what has shifted within you. What are the lessons you've learned during this time of renewal? What old habits or thought patterns have you let go of? This is your moment to release anything that no longer serves you. You are no longer bound by the limitations of your past self. The energy that has been restored is a sign that you've broken free from the chains of doubt, fear, and insecurity. In this next phase, trust your intuition. Your restored energy has heightened your awareness, making it easier to tap into the wisdom that resides within you. Listen to that inner voice guiding you. It has always been there, but now it's clearer, louder, and more direct. You no longer need to question whether you're on the right path because you can feel it in every step you take. Each decision you make from here on out comes from a place of certainty and inner knowing. Also, recognize that your energy is magnetic. As you continue to step into your power, you will attract people and opportunities that resonate with the frequency you are now vibrating at. It's like the universe is aligning everything perfectly to match your new state of being. This is why it's so important to stay grounded in your truth, to stay aligned with the energy you've worked so hard to restore. The people and circumstances that come into your life will either support this new level of energy or try to drain it. Be discerning. Not everyone who enters your space deserves access to your energy. Take moments throughout your day to pause and check in with yourself. How do you feel? Is your energy balanced? Are you honoring your boundaries? This kind of self-awareness is key to maintaining the energy you've restored. Note, your energy is not just about physical vitality but also about emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. It's about feeling whole, feeling connected to yourself and the universe in a way that feels natural and effortless. It's important to note that while this is a time of restoration and growth, it's also a time to celebrate. You've come so far, and it's easy to overlook just how much progress you've made. Celebrate the small victories, the moments of clarity, the decisions you've made that have brought you closer to your true self. Give yourself credit for the resilience you've shown, for the perseverance that got you here. But most importantly, keep moving forward. This is just the beginning. The energy you've restored will continue to propel you forward, but only if you continue to nurture it. Stay connected to your purpose, stay aligned with your values, and trust the process. The universe has a way of guiding those who are in tune with themselves, and right now, you are more in tune than ever before. As you think of this new chapter, remind yourself daily of the power within you. You are not the same person you were before, you are stronger, wiser, and more connected to your true self. The energy within you is not just restored, it's amplified. You are capable of more than you realize, and now is the time to step into that potential fully. Your energy is your most valuable asset. Guard it fiercely, nurture it daily, and use it to create the life you've always envisioned. This is your time. Now that your energy has been restored, you're stepping into a state of receptivity. It's as though a door has opened, allowing new opportunities and possibilities to flow into your life. When your energy was depleted, it may have felt like you were constantly swimming upstream, trying to make things happen through sheer force of will. But now, with this revitalization, everything seems to come naturally. You're no longer fighting against the current, instead, you're flowing with it. Life feels lighter, more fluid, and things that once seemed impossible now feel within reach. As we bring this conversation to a close, it's crucial to acknowledge the powerful changes you've experienced. Your energy has been restored, and you're now more aligned with your true potential than ever before. This renewed sense of strength and clarity has opened the door to countless opportunities, and with that comes the responsibility of maintaining your momentum. What's most important from here is how you apply this energy in your life, in your choices, your interactions, and the way you view your future. You've done the hard part by enduring the challenges and staying the course even when things were difficult. Now, it's about moving forward with intention. This moment signifies a turning point. You're now positioned to take full advantage of the clarity you've gained. Let this be your guide, whether you're facing new projects, making decisions in relationships, or thinking about the next steps in your personal growth. Everything you need is already within you, your energy, your strength, your vision. Trust in that. You no longer need to seek validation from outside sources or worry about what others might think. This is your path, and you have everything it takes to thrive. As you continue along this journey, let curiosity guide you. Stay open to new ideas, new perspectives, and different ways of thinking. This is the key to keeping your energy vibrant and alive. What you've tapped into isn't temporary, it's a deeper source of vitality that will continue to fuel you as long as you nurture it. Surround yourself with the right influences, engage in activities that feed your soul, and continue to be mindful of the people and environments that either uplift or drain you. Before we close, I'd love for you to take a moment to show some love and support for this channel. If you found value in what we've discussed today, please make sure to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps this content reach more people who are on their own paths to growth and healing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing ensures you won't miss any future updates or valuable insights that can help you in your journey. For those of you who are already part of this space, be sure to turn on notifications so you're the first to know when new content is available. It's a simple way to stay ahead and get a fresh dose of inspiration whenever you need it. If something in this message resonated with you, please take a moment to leave a comment below. Sharing your thoughts not only helps you reflect but also helps others who might be going through similar experiences. Your words could be the encouragement someone else needs today. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, please share it with friends or family. Sharing is one of the best ways to spread positivity and uplift others who might need to hear this message today. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you again in the next video.